We are at the Salina Speedway in Salina, Kansas, and we are here with modified dirt
track racing.
Dirt track racing.
He's so excited because he gets to be in the pit crew.
How fast do they go?
Well, this track, our straightaways are probably about 90, 95 down the straightaway.
90, 95.
Yeah.
Do you ever get scared? I mean, you're 10 minutes away from going out there. Do you ever get nervous? Do you get the butterflies?
Oh, some nights. I mean, first night of the year, usually, you know, if it's a big race, big paying race, and you got a good starting spot, you get a little nervous. But
we have been talking about how cool it is to be here in the pit. But when you're sitting in the stands, it gets really muddy because it is a dirt track. And you can see the helmet gets really muddy. But you've done something really clever here. Why is this so clean?
Well, we got tear-offs on the helmet, so you know, if you get some mud on your visor, this just pulls off and new ones on there, so you have a clean helmet, a clean visor, but we put 10 on at a time, so you know, if you go through those, then you're about done for.
How do you feel about it? Do you ever get nervous that something might happen? I mean, is this a dangerous sport in your mind?
No. They're really safe in there.
Are they?
I get nervous, but I think I have to get nervous. But I think they're pretty safe. As long as the car doesn't roll over, I'm okay.
One of the things in racing is tires. But there's a lot of tires here. How many tires do you go through in a race?
Well, I use them all for kind of different stages of, like these two, say I ran in my heat race. They were newer tires, had a lot of tread because it was a muddy track.
Kendall, you're like the whole pit crew here tonight.
I guess I am.
You got me and David back here to help out, so we'll do whatever we need to do. But tell me about this right here. I just saw you putting this on. So what is the purpose of covering up the wheel here?
Well, okay, when you go into a corner, of course, this is the side that's going to hit all the mud, and if a piece of mud sits in there and gets wedged in there, it'll throw it out of balance.
So now they have just called this race, which means that the drivers are getting ready. This is kind of a cool situation here because here's the car that we are with tonight. This is Kurtis Pihl's car, but this car right here is Kurtis's uncle's car. Now they come together and they race together and they do all this stuff, but tonight they're head-on-head competition as we go into this race.
We are right on the track, like literally right on the track. This should be exciting, maybe a little scary. I'm not sure about this.
I'll tell you what though, you know, over the last 3 or 4 months with Exploring Through Our Lens, we have been able to do some of the bucket list items that I know a lot of people would love to do, but being inside in the infield of a real live auto race, this is it, man.